Hi, I'm Matt Saxton, and welcome to CPTV. Today I'm going to show you Clippy, the clipboard manager for ServiceNow. Today's episode is brought to you by Glide Record. When you need to record, Glide Record. So today we're going to show you Clippy. It's a clipboard manager for ServiceNow. How many times have you ever started working on something in ServiceNow and needed two pieces of information? Maybe you need the incident number and a SysID. So what most of us do is we go into Notepad, we copy and paste the bits of information that we need, and then go back to it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and install Clippy, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So let's go ahead and go to retrieved. If I can spell retrieved, you know what? We'll just type in update sets. There we go. Retrieved update sets. I'm going to import an update set here, and I'm going to choose Clippy. Let that guy install for a moment. Sometimes you have to be patient. Practice it. All right, it's going to preview. Let's go for no errors. Perfect. All right, so then we'll commit the update set. Let that go for a moment. So once Clippy's installed, you'll need to refresh the whole instance. So I'm waiting for this thing to go, and then actually it didn't look like I needed to. It started immediately. So let's test it out. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to copy this, and up here you'll see a kind of like a document. If you click on that, what that's going to do is it's going to open up the service portal that is housing Clippy. It's kind of the first time we did it. And if you notice, I actually clicked copy 5 or 6 times, just a habit of mine. But you can see that it copied the word Clippy. It also remembers where you opened it. So where this can kind of be useful is, say we're going to incident, right? And we'll go and view all. And we need to copy 2 pieces of information, maybe the incident number and maybe the caller. So I'm going to copy the incident number, I'm going to copy the caller, and I can go to anywhere else in the system. We'll go to a home page, whatever, it doesn't really matter. And then from here, I can click this guy right here, and we can see that it copied those 2 pieces of information. It also knows when you copied it and what link was used to copy it, and can send you directly back to that link. This can also be extremely helpful when developing as well. So if we go back to incident for an example, this is a common thing that happens is you'll be working on an incident, right, and you'll start working on a business rule. And you need to copy that information temporarily and then go back to it. Clippy does a really good job of that. So configure business rules. Oh, fine, we'll open up this guy, affected CI notifications. Hopefully it's a good one with lots of good stuff in it. All right, so I can actually copy all of this. And if I open it in Clippy, it's going to look a little strange just because the formatting is going to be a little nuts on it. But it copied that entire business rule to the record. So the way that the permissions are done in Clippy is only admins have the ability to see all the clips. And you can see it from anybody. But users can only see their clips. And since I'm logged in as an admin, I can actually come over here to clips. And see them, but for users, they won't see this left-hand menu, and they will only see this top icon bar up here. So that's Clippy. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.
Yeah, dude. Just like
First take, right?
yeah, I know. There you go.